my craft friends, welcome back to Sweet Bay Lane. Or if you're new, welcome, I'm Tracy. And I'm so glad you stopped by to craft with me, because the DIY craft project in this video turned out so adorable, I couldn't wait to share it with my crafting friends. So let's go ahead and get started. The main supply of this DIY is going to be this large bell from the Dollar Tree. We start by prepping our bell by removing the red bow with the holly and our greenery. And once we have those removed, we're then going to come in with some sandpaper and rough up the surface of our bell. When we're finished roughing up the surface, we then want to come in and clean off the dust with a damp cloth and then dry it completely. Now our second supply for this DIY is going to be these printed out pages. I googled old book pages and I came up with this handwritten note in cursive, and the other two are an old dictionary page and a book page. I like the three different pages because it gives a lot of interest to our project. And we start by cutting our book pages in strips. They measure between 1 inch and 3/4 inches wide. Once we have our book strips cut, we're then going to come in with some matte Mod Podge, and we're going to coat little small increments of our bell and then apply the Mod Podge to the back side of our paper strips, then attaching them to our bell. And I loved alternating the book pages. It really made the project interesting. Once you have all of your strips of paper on your bell, you'll then come in with some Mod Podge and give it a good outer coat. Let that dry completely, then we're going to come in and we want to Mod Podge our strips of paper down to the edge of our bell, both outside and inside. And to do that, we're just going to paint the Mod Podge around the outside and the inside and then press our strips of paper into it. Hey guys, I hope you like what you're seeing so far, and if you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we would love to have you here at Sweet Bay Lane. And once you have your strips adhered down, you'll then come in and add a good coat of Mod Podge around the outer and inner edge of your project. And once the Mod Podge has dried, we're then going to come in with an X-Acto knife and trim the strips of paper from the inside of our bell. We then remove all of our strips of paper and we come in and give a final coat of Mod Podge around the outer and inner edge of our bell. Then while that's drying, we're going to bring back in our greenery piece and we're going to spray paint it white. I'm going to be using this Rust-Oleum flat white to give it that nice frosty look. We'll then fold our greenery in half and put the ends down inside the top of the bell. Then giving it a little twist inside the bell. I think it looks beautiful just like this, and if you're a minimalist, this would be perfect. But I'm going to jazz mine up a little bit and add some frosted greenery and some red velvet ribbon. You could also just use the red velvet and holly ribbon that came with it too. I purchased this red velvet ribbon at Hobby Lobby in their Christmas department. Along with the frosted greenery. But I have seen some beautiful frosted greenery at the Dollar Tree this year. And I finished it with a little jingle bell, and I think it looks adorable. And it was a lot of fun to make. I hope it inspires you to make some of your own. Well, thank you so much for watching, and if you're still in the Christmas crafting mood, go ahead and click on one of these upcoming videos. Well, until next time, keep it crafty!